All right, so here we are on deltafaucet.com. I'm actually on my phone, but you can also get to this website on your computer, your laptop, or iPad. Then what we want to do is we want to go to the menu and tap or click Contact Us. Once we get to Contact Us, we can also find and order common repair parts and see if we have the part number, and then make it very user friendly. See, they go by room. So what we're trying to do is replace our kitchen faucet. So we'll tap kitchen and it'll ask you for your common repairs. So kitchen repairs, common things are leaks. And that's pretty much it. So you want to know whether you have maybe a single handle cartridge, two handle cartridges. So what does that mean is, you know, if your faucet just has the one cartridge, or if it has two maybe knobs, then you'll go for the two handle cartridges, or maybe you just even know just get a repair kit. They kind of also have a description that says, so this one says solves drips from spout when water is off, not for DST models, for drips from spout, base, or under handle. So what I'll do is I'll go to view single handle cartridge, because that's what we're trying to replace for. If you've already taken it apart, if you looked at my previous video, which I'll put a link in the description for you to go to and see how I took off the handle and looked at the cartridge, you can see that. But since I already kind of know what I'm looking for, I see here it might be the RP70, this ball valve, stainless steel, that we need to replace. So what I'll do then is I'll go back to Contact Us. It's RP70, remember that. You don't necessarily have to remember it. But then I'll actually fill out the Contact Us form, okay? So I'm gonna put in the information, fill out your information here. And then what you want to do here at the bottom is select the message topic, and you'll select replacement parts. Okay, you see that asterisk, that means it's a required field, so you will have to select that. Now you can type in that product model number that we had already looked up. Remember, it was RP70. And see, they actually have, it actually locates the part, the model number, and pre-populates it for you in there so they know. You can also put in the product purchase date. If you need to, you can put in your purchase location if you actually purchased it and know where it's from. Well, actually, it's required, so just select something. Most likely, you might select Home Depot or Ace or Lowe's, one of those common, or even deltafaucet.com. So I'll just select the Home Depot here. If you're a trade professional or not, I will consider myself a professional, but I'm definitely not licensed, just DIY in the house. And then you can just type in your problem here, right? And say something like kitchen faucet leaking when turned on from handle. That's pretty good swiping, huh? And then upload images. Always make sure to upload images, multiple images, so they know kind of what it looks like. So just in case you pick the wrong part, the technicians are very familiar with their parts and they can actually send you out the proper one. Then you just click I'm not a robot and you hit submit and you're done. As easy as that. You'll get a confirmation in your email. Somebody might reach out to you from the customer service and ask you additional questions or ask for additional images. And from there, they will ship you out the parts if it's still part of their limited warranty, which typically it is with these faucets. And you'll expect to get your part within 10 to 14 business days, and you can start your replacement, which you will see in a future video. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.